Cold weather cycling demands clothing that balances warmth, moisture management, wind protection, and mobility without bulk. The 5 products reviewed here span a budget option to premium kits, plus standalone layers and accessories that collectively form a complete winter riding wardrobe. To compare these effectively, product number 1. 5 pieces cycling warm accessories skull cap helmet liner. This Gear winter cycling warm suit is a multi-pack that includes a helmet liner beanie, gloves, socks, arm warmers, and neoprene shoe covers. It combines fleece with mixed materials and targets comprehensive coverage for head, hands, feet, and calves. The set emphasizes moisture wicking and a design that accommodates eyeglasses, touchscreen use, and anti-slip features, all packaged in a sleek black-gray aesthetic. The inclusion of woolen socks with neoprene shoe covers expands warmth potential across extremities, and the sizing 39 to 44 implies a mid to large foot range for common cycling footwear. Performance-wise, this ensemble is best leveraged as a full coverage baseline for cold rides where layering is limited or when riders want a single purchase that covers most critical areas. The combination of fleece and mixed fabrics aims to balance warmth with breathability. Real-world use suggests strong warmth around the ears and hands, with the touchscreen compatibility allowing navigation without removing gloves. However, the fixed size range and bulkier shoe covers may limit compatibility with aggressive clipped-in pedals or tight-fitting boots. The package's value lies in its breadth. For riders seeking a one-stop kit rather than selecting individual items, this set provides convenience and cohesive styling. Product number 2. GCRFL Winter Cycling Jersey Sets Thermal Fleece Bike Jersey plus Bib Pants. The GCRFL set is a complete long-sleeve jersey and bib pants ensemble designed for cold weather cycling. It features 3+1 rear pockets, a zipper pocket for a phone, brushed fleece fabrics, and a silicone grip to prevent ride-up. The jersey is 100% polyester with brushed fleece, while the bib pants combine 90% polyester and 10% spandex with brushed fleece. The system emphasizes storage capacity, warmth, and a snug, secure fit with anti-ride-up silicone grips, making it suitable for extended rides or training sessions in chilly conditions. In practice, this kit shines for riders who want thermal performance coupled with practical storage and a secure fit during endurance rides. The back pockets are highly functional for pumps, bottles, and snacks, while the phone pocket adds convenience for navigation. The fabric composition provides warmth without excessive bulk, and the potential for slight color fade due to Italian ink thermal transfer is minimal in real-world use. Sizing guidance recommends going up a size for a looser fit, which is helpful for layering. However, the overall fit tends toward a performance cut that may be tight for casual riders. Product number 3. Rockbros Thermal Skull Cap Winter Hats for Men and Women. Rockbros offers an economical skull cap designed for head and ear warmth, compatible with helmets and outdoor activities beyond cycling. It's a lightweight thermal cap likely crafted from fleece or similar fabric, focusing on thermal retention without adding significant bulk. The product is highly affordable, making it an accessible entry point for winter riders looking to extend warmth to the head and ears while wearing a helmet. Performance-wise, this skull cap excels as a baseline head warmer for riders who already have core winter layers and want to address potential heat loss through the head. It's particularly useful in light commutes or non-race training where ventilation and moisture control are less critical than wind protection. The downside is its single-purpose design. It lacks integrated moisture management features for high sweat sessions, and it does not provide coverage for other extremities like hands or feet. It's best used as a supplementary layer rather than a standalone solution for full cold weather protection. Product number 4. Qualidyne Men's Thermal Cycling Jersey Long Sleeve Winter 3 Pockets Bike Fleece Jackets Windproof Reflective Cold Weather. Qualidyne's long-sleeve thermal cycling jersey emphasizes windproof and reflective features with 3 rear pockets. The fleece jacket style look targets riders who want a versatile top layer for cold rides, balancing warmth with visibility and storage efficiency. The product positioning suggests a mid-range option with practical pockets and wind protection, suitable for commutes and longer training sessions when paired with bib tights or insulated pants. In use, this jersey provides reliable core warmth and wind resistance, making it suitable for mild to cool mornings. The reflective elements enhance visibility in dawn/dusk riding conditions. The 3-pocket layout is convenient for snacks, a light pump, or a phone, though it may ride up slightly with aggressive arm movements if paired with a non-loose bib. Product number 5. InBike Winter Cycling Jackets for Men/Women Thermal Fleece Bike Jersey for Cold Weather Riding Windproof Bicycle Clothing. InBike offers a dedicated winter cycling jacket style that emphasizes thermal fleece, windproofing, and overall warmth. The design is suitable for both men and women, aiming to deliver comfortable core protection against cold winds and moisture while maintaining a flexible jacket profile that works with layering. This option appeals to riders seeking a standalone upper layer garment rather than a 2-piece jersey bib setup. In practice, InBike's jacket is well suited for riders who want a single robe solution with wind resistance and thermal warmth. It pairs well with base layers and light outer shells for wet or gusty days. The jacket's fleece interior should provide good insulation, but the absence of dedicated pocket configuration in the product line may reduce storage options compared to jersey sets. Durability and washability appear solid, though color and fit may vary by size and model year.